Today I'm going to measure how much mAh is coming out of my power bank. And this, I use this Keweisi crazy USB thing, adapter. It can measure the mAh coming out from here. That's a funny name, crazy. But, okay, so I'm going to have to put this in port here, and I'm going to have to put it to this power deck. Right, let's see how it goes. And oh, I have to reset it, so I have to press the reset button. It'll go down to 0. As you can see here, there's already a measurement of 2265. So if I press it, it'll go to 0. Okay, and let go, it comes 0. Also, okay. So I'll connect my fan to this power bank and we'll see what's the result. Turn on the fan. Or maybe this one is not working. We'll try that one and see. Okay, this one is working. Oh, the other port is not working. Oh, it is. Okay. Didn't exactly get it right. We turn on the fan. Right. This is where it starts to move up. The mAh is 0.35 amperes coming out of the power bank. 1 mAh coming. Okay, so now we see the mAh is getting bigger and bigger. .35 amperes. Okay, let's take a look in a few minutes time, or a couple of hours time, and you will see how thing goes, how much mAh there is in the power bank.